Hello everyone, welcome back to my show studio. Today I'm going to create a card using this beautiful Mermaid Stamp Set. I really love it. And I'm going to use, as you can see, some distress inks, some blending tools, my favorite Karin markers, brush markers with these beautiful ocean colors. What else? Well, I think you will see in a moment because I have some idea in my head, so enjoy! Let's start blending. I have here some distress inks. As you can see, the colors are Blueprint Sketch, Peacock Feather and Mermaid Lagoon. You know what? During blending I noticed that the Mermaid Lagoon color is not exactly what I want to have. So I tried with Salty Ocean and I think it's perfect. At the bottom of my card I added some black ink, distress ink, and now it looks like it's a really deep ocean. Separately, I'm stamping this mermaid tail using my Archival ink, waterproof black ink, and I think I will stamp it twice because there are going to be two mermaids. I had some problems with colors because I couldn't decide which ones should I choose, but finally I chose Cyan, Ceries and Cool Aqua, and these are all Karin markers. I will blend it a little bit using some water. Now it's time for the second tail, and the colors are a bit different. There is some more blue, but finally you can see that I've made some other sketches before. I have this beautiful green tail and I think I will choose it. I really like it. But it's not over yet. Now I'm going to do some embossing. I have this beautiful clear sparkle powder, embossing powder, and I will use it on the tail. And now I'm using my heating tool, and I can't wait to see how it's going to look like. I really love this beautiful sparkle powder. Okay, the tail is ready, so I will cut it out because unfortunately I don't have dies. Let's take care for the background a little bit. I will splash some water on it, and it will give me this beautiful water effect. I have here some small crystals which look like water drops, and they are going to be my bubbles, and I will attach them to the card behind the mermaid tails. And it's time to also attach the tails. And this is the moment when I realized that my card is upside down. My deep ocean is above, so I need to turn my card, and well, at least I notice it. I will add some glitter to the card right now, and I will use this beautiful nail decorations, and I think that the blue and green dots are going to be perfect. I will also add some bubbles, but I will draw them using my white jelly pen. At the end, I will emboss Cyan. Well, it's actually a sentence. But first I will prepare my card a little bit using my handmade anti-static bag, and then I will emboss the sentence. And it's time for white embossing powder. Okay, I think it looks perfect. The last step is background. I prepared this dark blue background, and I will stick the front of the card to it. And of course, a base. Every card needs to have a base. And my card is ready. What do you think? I think it's lovely. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my card. And remember, always be yourself. Unless you can be a mermaid, then always be a mermaid. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.